Department of Applied English and the Department of Applied Germanies. The Department of Applied Germanies and English was originally belonged to Department of Applied Foreign Language, which was established in August 2006. In August 2008, which was Department of Applied Foreign Language was divided into two separate departments. The main goal of the Department of Applied Germanies is to cultivate not only Japanese specialists but also professionals in the hospitality industry. As for exit criteria, students have to reach the